Listen closely, friends. I'm going to tell a story. It's a really, really good one, full of courage, love, and glory. Once upon a time, in a kingdom by the sea, there lived a very brave Hiccup. Oh dear, please excuse me. So, as I was saying, there lived a very brave knight. He fell in love with a... Gee whiz, it's hard to get this right. So, this brave knight fell in love with a pretty maiden in a castle. But at first, she didn't. Good golly, this is a hassle. Anyways, this night he loved a maiden, and at first she didn't love him back. But then one day he met a... Wow, I'm getting quite off track. Okay, the knight met a magic blue fish while strolling along the beach one day. The fish granted him one... Oh man, will these things ever go away? I'm not sure how long it will take to finish this tale all the way through, so I will just try to... I'll summarize for you. Brave knight, pretty maiden, castle, fell in love, beach stroll, fish of blue, got his wish to get the girl, and they lived happily ever after. Phew. Well, I guess I finally finished. I made it to my story's end. I hope you enjoyed this. Seriously? Not again?